Hi friends, this video is to help you through the district summative assessment for length and measurement. So you should have a copy of the test in front of you. Make sure you pause in between questions if you need more time, and of course you can always rewind, go back and listen again if you need to, or if you have questions, ask your teacher. Okay, so on the paper test, make sure your name is on. See this blank right here where it says name? Put your name right there. The first thing you're going to do is question 1 is talking about the shorter and taller dolls. So you're going to take a look at the picture. In this picture, everything is referencing or talking about Mary's doll. See Mary's doll right here? So Mary's doll is the one that they're talking about. So you're going to be drawing a picture in this box, and you'll be drawing a picture in this box. So listen carefully to know how to draw your picture. Question 1 says, Sally's doll is shorter than Mary's doll. So in this box, draw what Sally's doll looks like. The next part says, Tammy's doll is taller than Mary's doll. So in this box, you're going to draw what Tammy's doll looks like. The last part of this question says, Sally's doll is, you're going to circle either taller than or shorter than Tammy's doll. So Sally's doll compared to Tammy's doll. Is it taller than or is it shorter than? So circle the correct answer. Question 2, you're going to be measuring. It says measure the length of the picture of each item. Some of you may be using paper clips, some of you may be using centimeter cubes. So whichever tool your teacher has given you, you're going to measure. And you'll be measuring on this line. So measure this giraffe and write the correct answer on the blank. Measure this bird and write the correct answer on the blank. And then you're going to measure the alligator. So here's the line that you'll measure the length of the alligator and then put the answer on the blank. Okay? Go ahead and do that and pause the video now. Okay, now you're going to answer questions about the animals you just measured. This question says, order the giraffe, bird, and alligator from shortest to longest. So you're going to write the actual words, giraffe, bird, alligator, but you're going to put them in order from the shortest animal to the longest animal based on the measurements that you just did. So write those on the blank. Pause the video so that you'll have time to do so. Okay, the next question says, which item or items are longer than the giraffe? So you're going to write on the blank the names of the animals that are longer than the giraffe. Next question, how much longer is the alligator than the bird? You will want to write a number sentence to indicate your answer and where you got your answer from. So write, how much longer is the alligator than the bird? Write a number sentence and put your answer on this blank. On this next page, they've already done the measuring for you. The ant, which is this creature right here, is 7 centimeters long. The grasshopper is 12 centimeters long. And the snake is 8 centimeters long. You're going to answer some questions about these animals. So question 3 says, order the animals above from shortest to longest. So you have 3 animals, there's 3 blanks. So on the blanks, you're not going to write numbers, you're going to write the names of the animals from the shortest animal to the longest animal. Go ahead and do that. Question 4 says, how much longer is the grasshopper than the ant? So if I were you, I would write a number sentence right in here showing how you calculated that, and then put your answer on this blank. The grasshopper is blank centimeters longer than the ant. Go ahead and do that now. On these questions, you'll be measuring and then answering questions about the animals on this page. You're going to measure the pig using your centimeter cubes. Measure along here. You're going to measure the cow, and I know it says ladybug cubes. You're going to be using centimeter cubes. So measure the cow, measure the chicken, and then you're going to measure the cat. Lastly, you're going to put in order the animals from the shortest animal on this blank to the longest animal on this blank. So you're going to put them in order. Short, short, long, longer. So go ahead and do that now. Pause the video to give yourself some time. In these questions, you're going to circle the pictures that show a correct measurement. So what that means is someone measured A, B, C, D, and E, but some of these were not measured correctly. So you're going to circle the letters of the pictures that show the correct way to measure. There is more than one answer, so make sure you look at all of them and circle the ones that are correct. Now on this next question, you're going to have to write, why did you pick these pictures? You'll explain your thinking with 2 reasons. In other words, you'll give 2 reasons why you picked those particular pictures as being correct. Remember how we've talked in class about measuring accurately. Pause the video and answer the question in sentences. The next question, you'll be using the animals on John's farm, this particular graph. There are horses, chickens, and goats on John's farm. The first question says, how many animals are on John's farm in all? You'll write on the blank a number representing the total number of animals. The next question says, how many fewer horses are there than goats on John's farm? There are blank fewer horses. The next question says, how many more chickens are on John's farm than horses? On the blank, you will write blank more chickens. Write a number on the blank to represent your answer. Next question. Students were asked to vote on their favorite animals at the zoo. Their choices were a tiger, an elephant, or a zebra. In these boxes, you will indicate how many votes were given to each animal, and you will use tally marks. So tally mark the number of tigers, the number of elephants, and the number of zebras in these boxes. When you're done, you will answer these questions below. So pause the video while you tally mark the answers. Okay, this first question says, write a number sentence to tell how many students were asked about their favorite animal. So how many total votes were there? Write a number sentence including all the animals and the answer on this blank. The next question says, write a number sentence to show how many fewer students liked zebras than elephants. And this last question says, some more students answered about their favorite animal at the zoo. If the new total number of students who answered is 20, how many more students answered? Write a number sentence on this blank to show your answer and to show how many more students answered. Okay, friends, that completes the test. You may go back, rewind, listen to it again, double check your work, which would be a great idea, or just listen to the questions that you may need some more time for or may need some clarification on. Feel free to ask your teacher if you need something clarified or if you need more information.